Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Forest Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech reviewer, back with another video. Today's video, I'm going to give you the 5 reasons why you may not want to pick up this Galaxy S24 Ultra. But before I get into this video, check this out. Okay everyone, so I'm back with another video today. Today's video, I want to give you my 5 top reasons why you may not want to pick up the Galaxy S24 Ultra. I've been using it for about 2 weeks now, and I might be returning it just because of these 5 reasons here. If you have the device or if you are deciding to pick it up, let me know in the comments some reasons why you may not want to get it, or if you have it already, why are you returning it, or why did you return it already? So let's just have a friendly discussion. I like doing this type of video. I like having fun with everyone with these type of videos. But let's get into it. I don't want to make it too long. But the number one reason, or I say the first reason, is if you have the S23 Ultra right now, there's no need to upgrade to the S24 Ultra. If this was the same color as my S23 Ultra, you will not be able to tell the difference from looking at the back of it at all. Even holding it, you probably wouldn't be able to tell. Now the display is flat, so from the front you can see that it has a flatter display than the S23, but it's pretty much the S23 Ultra and just named different. It should be the S23 Ultra A or something, or S, just like the iPhones used to do back in the day. So there's not much of a difference. I mean, yes, you get the better chipset in here. Yes, you get more AI features in here, but the AI features are and should be coming to the S23 Ultra. So if you have the S23 Ultra, keep it. There's no need to upgrade. The second reason I'm gonna say that you shouldn't pick this up is because the AI features are a gimmick. They really are. I think sooner or later AI technology will take over the world and we will all be working for robots very soon. Our phone will be telling us what to do, and every picture you take will not look real because no one's using the real lenses anymore. They're using the computers to make a picture on how it's supposed to be, and it's just AI is taking over the world. And I don't think phones should start with the AI features. I don't know, maybe someone's listening to me right now and an AI is about to come and take me off this video. So I think AI features is a gimmick, so we must say no to AI. So that's one of the reasons why I might be returning the phone really quick. The next reason is all about this panel right here, the 6.8 inch dynamic AMOLED panel. 6.8 inches, that's big. If you have small hands, you may not be able to hold this in your hand and operate it with one hand. So if you have small hands, don't try to get this phone. Plus, who asked for and who told Samsung that we wanted a flat display? Did y'all say that? I did not say that. Where are the curved displays at? I think a lot of people are missing it. I miss the accidental touches that you used to get with the curved displays, man. And you used to touch the end and you call somebody, or you open up an app by accidentally by touching the side. I mean, I actually missed that with this phone, so I think we should bring the curved display back. And why 6.8 inches? Give me like a 6.2, 6.3, and I'm perfectly fine with that size of phone. I think the 6.8 inch, even with my hands, it's just unreasonable. I don't know why Samsung keeps on making bigger phones like that. And the main reason is this flat display. Like, why? Bring back the curves, man. I love the curved display, but that's just my reasons. All right, so let's keep this video going. The next reason is almost the display, but the overall build quality of this phone. It is a square box now. It's really like holding a candy bar in your hand, plus the titanium sides. Who asked for that? Be your own person. Because did he really, Samsung, have to copy Apple? Just because Apple came out with titanium sides, you have to do the same thing? If you wanted to be Apple, just call yourself Apple then. But I didn't ask for titanium size. I don't know if y'all did, but I like the aluminum size. I like the feel of it. And the titanium is not much lighter than the aluminum. And titanium is supposed to be, you know, easier to bend and break too. So it's not as strong as the aluminum or even plastic, man. I don't know why Samsung didn't go with titanium. I mean, give me some aluminum or give me some plastic, make the phone a little bit cheaper. What if someone's allergic to titanium and they buy this phone not knowing that it's titanium and break out in a rash? So, I don't know. What y'all think about the titanium size? I think I like the aluminum one, so that's one of the reasons. The last reason that I probably will be returning this phone is because of the things you see in front of me here. Why do I need 100 times zoom on the camera? I don't care what my neighbors are doing down the street. I don't have to zoom in on them and see whatever they're doing in their house. That is their business. I don't need to see that. And I don't want a that up close picture of my wife or my kids. So I don't need 100 times zoom. Give me 2 ultra wide cameras and I can do some weird stuff with that. But 2 telephoto lenses, one's like a digital zoom now. I don't know why Samsung keeps on changing their camera setup. Give me like 1 camera. Most people and most consumers only going to post to Facebook, Instagram, or TikTok. You don't need a high-powered camera on a phone to do that. You give us 1 or 2 cameras on here, you cut the price by $200, and you sell a lot of phones. If you're a photographer or a video person, you're going to buy an expensive camera and make some quality videos with that camera. You don't need like 8 or 5 different cameras on a slab phone like this, especially with 100 times zoom. Like I'm gonna zoom into my neighbors or something, or tell my mom hi when she lives in Louisiana. I live in Texas. So I don't know. What y'all think? Do y'all think the cameras are way too much on here? I think, I don't know, 5 different cameras, and not even counting the front camera. Next year they might have like 3 cameras in the front, and that will be really overboard. So you could take a selfie with your whole block. I don't know. What y'all think about it? I think the cameras are a little bit overboard there. Hopefully you made it to the end of this video. If you did, please check out the comments in this video because they are going to be fun. I love making these videos. I am not returning the phone, y'all. So if you made this for, you know this whole video was just a joke, having some fun on YouTube, but I'm enjoying the phone. Y'all let me know if you enjoy the phone. Do you plan on returning it? Do you have any real issues with the phone so far? Stay tuned to the channel. I will make some more content. I have a gaming review coming up. I have camera reviews coming up. But if you made it this far, just watch the comments. Have some fun in there. I'll see y'all in the next video. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, make sure you do so for more coverage on the Galaxy S24 Ultra. Also, make sure you follow me on Twitter at @ForZReviews. Become part of the BAM Nation. And until next time, peace. I'm out of here. Y'all have a great day.